This is me at 92 kg. A lot of fat on the body, probably around 25% body fat. I'm 6 foot tall. Now here I am at 70 kg, so I lost 20 kg. Obviously I'm lean, maybe around 11% body fat. There's another video of me. You can see the abs in the lighting. So I've lost 20 kg of fat, and it took approximately, I'd say, 7 or 8 months. There's another clip of me at 92 kg. So how did I do it? So what I did is I calculated my maintenance calories on an online calculator, which was probably around 2,500 calories. Then what I would do is I would lower that to around 2,200 calories. So I would be in a calorie deficit of 300 calories every single day. And then what I'll do is I'd be going on bike rides, like in this video. I'd be going to the gym, doing burpees, doing skipping. I'd be going on long walks. So I'll be burning 300 calories from the deficit of lowering my calories. And then also I'd be jogging. So every day I'll be doing some type of cardio. I'll be lifting weights in the gym. So my calorie deficit would be around 800 calories each day, because I'll be training, burning calories from cardio, and then also lowering my calories and eating a high protein diet of about 150 to 170 grams of protein.